Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Claude to Blender. Before getting started, make sure you have the Claude desktop application installed. You will also need Blender version 5.1 or later. If either of these is not installed yet, download and install them first, then continue with the setup process. Once both applications are ready, open Claude on your computer. In the left sidebar, click on Customize, then open the Connectors section. Here you can browse available integrations that allow Claude to work with other applications. Use the search bar to find Blender, then click Install next to the Blender connector. Claude will take a few moments to set everything up. After the connector is installed, Claude will display additional setup instructions. Follow the provided link to download the official Blender add-on. You may have the option to drag and drop the add-on directly into Blender, but in this tutorial, we will install it manually. Open Blender and click Edit at the top of the screen, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, open the Add-ons tab. Click Install from disk and browse to the zip file you downloaded earlier. Select the file and click Install. Blender will install the add-on and enable the connection between Blender and Claude. After the installation is complete, the setup process is finished. Claude can now communicate with Blender through the installed connector and add-on. Thanks for watching.